Hi, my name is David Hertz, and I am an architect. My studio is called the Studio of Environmental Architecture in Venice Beach, and we are at the Stone Canyon Reservoir House. The exterior is steel troweled, integrally pigmented stucco. Come on, let's get inside. I can't wait to show you around. So I'm in the living room, and we've just come through the front door into a compressed entry where a curved wall goes all the way from the outside through the entire house into a high volume living room. And the idea is to have the warmth of the wood, but the height of this square windows that bring the light, and the floor finishes in, whether it's the floor of the entry, which is the stone extending in and dovetailing into the wood floor. The main living room is a space that's bounded by a bar that separates the kitchen from the living room, and then a dining room that has a water wall that separates it from the street in the front of the house. So here we are in the kitchen, and the kitchen is very much the center of the home. I designed a light well that goes through the second story, actually through the bathroom, that becomes a translucent light column, and it brings daylight into the kitchen. The kitchen transitions quite nicely into the breakfast nook and is separated by a sculptural fireplace and then an elevation change that brings you into the family room. Coming out of the elevator on the second floor landing, the first thing you notice is the curved wall that runs through the house has a large opening in it. On the opposite side of the curved wall is a master suite that is separated by a large door that isolates the whole landing from that suite. That suite has a living room seating area separated by a fireplace into the master bedroom, which is a continuation of the curved wall, which has the warmth of wood and is projected and cantilevered right into a mature grove of pine trees. And then the bathroom is a large open space that's separated by the light column that brings light down into the kitchen. But what's interesting about this space also is that I put cello strings running down the hallway, essentially turning the building into a musical instrument. We're now at the back of the house, and the intent of the house was really to open up into the landscape, and so we cantilevered the whole master bedroom into the grove of trees. Also, this whole edge had been landscaped, and so we pushed the edge down, uncovered this tree amongst the brush, and made it a sculptural focal point, and then have the whole house open to the view and to the reservoir below, creating a naturalistic swimming pool that from above mimics the natural reservoir down below. Thanks so much for joining me on the tour of the Stradella Road house. It's rewarding to see a project that was one of my early projects all the way back from 1994, and how timeless and how well lived and enjoyed it is. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing you on a future project next time.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?